Deepali Kanodia. I am a founder of Pinnacle. Since childhood, I've been handicraft lover. We are doing handmade paper notebooks, journals, diaries, miniature books, everything under the sun for paper, we do it. Godrej Capital Vrutti, they changed my whole perspective towards my own business. I was looking at my product again with confidence and that it has a good potential. I'm so passionate about my work, I'll tell you. We are very open and I would say very innovative. We really actually keep trying a lot of things.